Hey crypto friends, for those of you who are new to my channel, my name's Garrett and welcome to Altcoin Radar. Today we are going to be taking a look at stacks on the charts and we are going to see where it might be headed in the long term. All right. Now, for those of you who are new to the channel, if you are interested in trading and would like to try out the same crypto exchange that I use on a daily basis, feel free to go ahead and check out the MEXC exchange with the link in the video description down below this video. I personally love this exchange for two big reasons. As you guys can clearly see, they have some of the absolute cheapest trading fees in the entire industry right now, so you get to keep more of your profits, which is very, very nice. In addition to that, they have over 1,500 different altcoins on a regular basis and continually add more on a regular basis as well. And I'm a huge altcoin nerd, so hey, I love being able to trade all kinds of different altcoins, all right? So guys, let's go ahead and take a look at stacks here, okay? So for those of you who aren't familiar with me or familiar with my trading style, I am a long-term swing trader, okay? I'm not looking at the 1 hour charts or the 30-minute charts or the 15-minute charts. I am looking at the daily charts, the 4-hour charts, and the weekly charts, all right? And I'm basically trading off of those, okay? I'm more interested in the long-term price swings, stuff like this, getting in up here and shorting it and going all the way to down here, okay? Or buying in down here and going all the way up here, okay? I'm not interested in trading these little price swings that are like right in here and shit. I just really don't have time for that. So I like to get in on the longer-term swings. So guys, let's go ahead and take a look at this. All right, so we can clearly see Stacks is currently trading at 67 cents at the time of me filming this video right now. Now, what I'm currently seeing right now, and I'm sure you guys are seeing it too, we can clearly see that we've got a little, let's see here, we've got a little cup and handle type of formation going on here, starting to form, which is pretty exciting, to be honest with you. And for those of you who are not familiar with cup and handles, they typically result in a big giant move this way, which would be very, very nice to see. So if that happens, that would be very, very awesome. Now, market sentiment overall in the crypto market is very, very good right now. Now, obviously, hey, things can change and take a turn for the worse, and we could end up nuking straight down. But realistically, nobody wants that to happen, so we won't even think about that. Now, in a bullish long-term scenario here, if something like that cup and handle plays out and we end up shooting up, then I can see us easily breaking resistance here at 75 cents, and we will end up swinging right into this range right here before hopefully breaking this 88-cent resistance and breaking up to this new level up here between 88 cents and $1.01, okay? Now, these are all based on previous levels of resistance from the past, as you guys can clearly see, but that is personally where I see things going for stacks in the long term as far as what's going to happen here and where the different ranges are going to be. Now, as you guys can clearly see, we are also pretty high on the RSI right now as well, so there is a possibility we could end up dropping a little bit more, but realistically, again, back to the cup and handle scenario, if this thing plays out, we could end up shooting pretty, creating another peak here on the RSI and going up a little higher, and obviously that's what we would like to all see. So that is not out of the question. Now, as far as where it could potentially go in the long term, let's go ahead and check this out real quick. So as we can clearly see here, Stacks way back when, let's see here, back in 2019, Stacks was trading at like 19 cents or something like that. It's currently trading at roughly, it did reach roughly around 19 cents again in this most recent bear market, which is obviously not very cool. Considering it ended up dropping back to where it was back in 2019 as well. So that kind of makes you think, is it going to go higher than its previous all-time high? I mean, realistically, I'm not a magical wizard, so I can't exactly tell you that it is or isn't. But realistically, in the long-term grand scheme of things, in my personal opinion, I think this project is going to absolutely explode at some point. And the simple reason why is because, I mean, hey guys, realistically, being able to do smart contract stuff on the Bitcoin network, which is what Stacks does, I mean, that is a pretty big deal. So in the long-term grand scheme of things, hey, if all that stuff ends up playing out in the long-term future, I mean, realistically, we could end up seeing Stacks much higher than its previous all-time high, especially once it takes off, okay? Now, If any of you guys have any questions about anything that I mentioned in this video as far as my personal price outlook and my personal trading style, feel free to go ahead and reach out to me in my free community Discord server, which you can find in the link in the description below this video. Overall though, guys, other than that, that's going to pretty much do it for this video. So I will go ahead and wrap this one up. But before you guys leave, if you haven't already and if you would like to, feel free to go ahead and subscribe to my channel so that you never miss a new crypto and altcoin video from me on a regular basis. And hey guys, with that said, thanks again for watching.